Hi Ray, looking better with the half a second delay. Uh, I have a few tweaks to brief just to get this working even better. At the moment, the blue markers are now highlighting straight away, which is good, and the other ones aren't. But it may be just a little bit too long and people may miss these. So if we could back these down to 0.2 of a second, we'll see how that works. It may need to go up to 0.3, but I think 0.2 will probably be enough to stop them triggering while people are moving the cursor, but still be close enough that it happens a bit quicker. The other issue is, say for this cluster here, if I mouse over one and then go to, or maybe the next one, that one there. So I'm on the next one, but it's not switching over. So there must be a slight halo around these markers. Yeah, I'll just check on the map page. Pause the video. Yeah, so the map page seems to do it a little bit as well. I'm on the next marker and it hasn't rolled off from that one to that one. It seems to be okay, but in a shorter period, there seems to be another halo effect on those markers there. So that's it for now, until we next brief. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.